All right, we are doing exercise 5.16. Let's read through the information. PP Limited decides to send all the employees on a team building course. The organization responsible for the course supplied two possible options for payment. Option 1 is that we pay 105 per person and a fixed amount of 8,750. So that 105 is variable and the 8,750 is fixed. Option 2, we have a fixed amount 10,500 as well as 5,250 for the rent of the venue, regardless of the number of people attending. So that is a fixed cost. Travel cost to the venue will be 70 rands. So we already can identify that this is variable, this is variable. So they both are variable, and this is fixed, and that is fixed, because they do not change with the number of people attending the course. Right, what do they ask us to do? First, they ask us to fill out this table. So let us do just that. We would draw the table. I've already drawn it to save recording time, and would have to populate it. The total fixed cost for option 1 would be 8,750. You agree with me? 8,750. 8,750. 8,750. Moving on. The total variable cost will be 105 plus the 70, right? But they want total, so we need to say equal to 105 to make a formula plus 70 rands, close your brackets. That will multiply, you multiply by 15 to get your total, and then just copy that over. You select it and you right click copy, and you select the cells you want to copy to. Right click and paste formulas. You don't want to paste the amount, you paste formulas so that it will copy the formula. It will copy the formula as you go. Now, next line, total cost. Total cost would then be your total fixed cost and your total variable cost. So that would be equal to the sum of this two. Another way of doing it, I'll show you here. It would be equal B3 plus C3 plus C4. Let's repeat the other way. Equals to D3 plus D4. There you go, you got your total cost. And then the cost per person would be this B5 divided by 15. That is 758. To save yourself time, you could copy it over, but let's do it the long way so that you understand. Total cost divide by 40 equals to total cost divided by 90. And there you go. That's option 1 done. And you do the same thing for option 2. For option 2, you are told that a fixed amount of 10,500 needs to be paid. 10,500, fixed amount of 10,500 needs to be paid. So we know that this across there is 10,500. The total variable cost here is 70 rands, right? Because that would be the travel cost, 70 rands. So it would be 70 rands. It would be equal to 70 times 15. 70 times 40. 70 times 90. But now, ladies and gents, there's something that we're forgetting here. This is not the only fixed cost that we have here. We also have 5 to 50. So our actually our fixed cost would be 10,500 plus 5 to 50 plus 5 to 50, and that would be the same for here as well.